Hey guys, Jared from EagleLights.com, and today we're getting low with our low profile taillight installation. In our low profile line, we have the 8900TL3T-S. This light right here has integrated sequential turn signals and a strobing brake light. So before you install it, you gotta take off your current taillight. To do so, you got two screws. I have one on the right side, one on the left. Remove the taillight, and you're going to unplug the pigtail. So we're going to be installing this tail light. The first step you're going to want to do is unplug the stock turn signals. To do that, you just remove these two pigtails here from the base plate. Grab the tail light's pigtail, plug it into the same spot where your stock tail light was plugged into. Now we're going to connect the turn signals. If you're looking to just use the turn signals in the tail light and delete your rear turn signals, you're just going to take these two pigtails here and plug them directly into the Harley base plate. If you're planning on using the turn signals in the integrated taillight along with the stock turn signals that are on the bike, you're then going to take these two and plug them into the corresponding pigtail on the harness. All right, you just take the taillight, line it up, grab your screws. I find it's a little easier to mount these lining the screws up beforehand on both sides. All right, now that we have everything installed, we're just going to turn the bike on and test to make sure everything is working correctly. We check our brake, our flashing brake, and our sequential turn signal.